Bonjour. How are you? Yalla.
Yalla.
Just be quiet for a moment, please. Does she takes her medicine?
Firstly, I must say that we have a really good relationships with our patients. It's not only with patients. We done this stuff like medical team, but also with Lebanese people. We have a really good relationship because we are some kind of similar people, you know, with big heart, very warm people, very peaceful people. So we have the same stuff in our head, in our heart. So I feel very, very nice here, and it's my pleasure to work over there all the time.
لطفة وبضلوا يضحكوا وبيستقبلوا المريض بيعطوه معنوية للمريض. أنا كل ما أعرف إنه هني هون لأنه كتير عم بستفيد نشكر الله وإنه ميرسي إلهم كتير لأنه عم بياخدوا عم بيعطونا أدوية. هلا إني هوني كمان عم بيضحوا بيجوا من هونيك لهون تيضحوا تيساعدونا عم بيساعدونا كتر خيرهم.